Our Mylah and Neptune had 3 baby girls. One is black silver and 2 are black, and she is vesting. The first one is Cora. She's got a red band. Gonna take her for a second. She is black and has a little white bib, and mommy is very protective. Tail fairy is coming tomorrow, no, actually today. They were born on 7/15, July 15th, yes. Hi, little baby girl. Oh, I know. You want your mommy, and mommy doesn't want me to show her babies off. That's little Cora. She is black. And then we have orange band. Her name is Chloe. That's Chloe. And she is, oh, she's black and silver. Fade, but black and silver. I just saw it underneath her tail. Let's look. Yeah, she's a black and silver. There she is, little Chloe. When they're first born and they are wet, it's difficult to tell. And then we have a cookie, yellow. She's black, silver. Definitely you see it on a marking on a cheek. Little girl. Oh, so strong, my goodness. Black and silver girl. Is white tippy toes. And I have a bunch of puppies here by my feet playing. So this is the leather. There they are, aren't they precious? Here are Mylah's babies again. And she had 3 girls. They were born on 15 July. Neptune is the daddy. The first one is Cora. She's a black girl. Has a bib. A white bib. Let's see if you can see her here. Yes. Mommy is outside going potty. It's little Cora. And then we have Chloe. She's orange. She's a black and silver. Black and silver girl. White tippy toes. They're so adorable. Such innocence. Little Cora. And then another black and silver girl. It's time for the doggies to go out. This here is Cookie. Everybody wants out. Black and silver girl, strong. Tippy toe. Oh. There she is. Little Cookie. There they are, little angels.